Hey chef, I've got a fun one for you today. Spoiler alert, there's chocolate. I'm gonna do a mini prep featuring 3 recipes from Sammi Brondo's course, All Foods Fit. She's a registered dietitian who believes that healthy eating should be easy and that all foods fit. And so, chocolate. Let's dig in. Today we're making turkey zucchini boats, Southwestern stuffed sweet potatoes, and dark chocolate PB+J cups. And there we have it. 2 great dinner options and a treat. Thank you, Sammi Brondo. All Foods Fit is just one of 30 courses in the bundle I'm a part of with Kitchen Karate. It's an unbelievable value, but it's only available for a few days. Now you might be thinking, what am I going to do with 30 courses? I can't get through 30 courses. I might not even be able to get through 1 course. Well, you don't have to take them all at once. You just take them as you need them. Once you own the bundle, you own all the courses and you can do them when you want to. You can get the link to the bundle in the description below along with the recipe for this meal prep. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.